Hi there, thanks for joining me. You know what they say, information is power, and Repricer.com makes it as easy as possible to identify your competitors and target them specifically. Here at Repricer, we understand that knowing your competition is vital to being competitive, and that's why we developed the competitor screen. Select competitors from your menu to bring it up. Here we are on the competitor screen. We start with some general information at the top, but the real meat and potatoes is further down in the competitor table. Here we display the competitors you compete with on the most products. We start our table by displaying the competitor's name, because let's be honest, this all wouldn't be very useful if we didn't at least know who we were dealing with. Directly to the left, we also have an icon that will open the competitor store directly on Amazon. Our next figures are looking at buy box possession, and how many buy boxes you or your competitors have won whenever you come up against each other. The next three columns look at how you stack up against them depending on fulfillment method: fulfilled by merchant, fulfilled by Amazon, or Prime. Our next number is any products where your competitor has beaten you but you're not at your minimum price. This is a scenario where you might want to consider reviewing your repricing rules. And the last piece of information is seller feedback if we have it recorded. By using this data, you can get a good feel for how you're competing with your top competitors, and we'd strongly recommend keeping a close eye on it. And of course, let's not forget that if you click on any of the numbers on screen, they'll take you to the product screen where you can review those products. So we've shown you some information about your competitors, which is all fine and good and very useful. But what you really want to do is compete. Click the target icon on the right hand side. And here we have a competitor rule. It's a cut down version of the same rule you'll find on the repricing rules themselves. The difference here is this one's already been set up for you to compete with that specific seller, and better yet, you can apply it to all your repricing rules or target specific ones. If you just wanted to target this seller in all circumstances, you'd just change the competitor pricing rule line. However, by using the other settings, you can target this seller in specific circumstances as well. This can be a game changer and lets you really drill down if you want. Once you've set the settings and rules you want, click the Create Competitor Rule, and that's you done. Now that's just a quick look at the competitor rule screen. I'd encourage you to get in there and have a look yourself. While you're here, why don't you take a look at some of the other videos where we cover other Repricer.com features. If you haven't started your free trial yet, why not start one today for free for 14 days? Or book a demo with one of our helpful team. Thanks for joining me and have a great day.